So why do you avoid a corner sink base? There's two reasons. One, the corner sink base takes up too much room in the corner, right? That corner could be better utilized with a lazy Susan or a blind base where you can put more stuff back there. Nobody's putting stuff in the back of a sink base except for junk. Number two, where do you put the dishwasher? If you think about the corner of a kitchen, if you put the dishwasher right next to it on either side, that would be the ideal spot. But when you open that, it'll hit your legs. So you have to actually put it down the cabinet run a little bit. Or you could put it behind you on an island, but then you got to turn around. So it makes it difficult to put the dishwasher in an area where it's easy to load the dishes. So those are the two main things. The space it takes up in the corner that could be better utilized with other cabinet space, as well as where do you put the dishwasher. So if you enjoy this content, follow X Home Builds for more home flipping tips. Have a great day.